Hey guys, it's me again, Francis, back for another video. So if you can remember, the first video I made is an introduction of the Cherry MX switches, wherein I featured the Cherry MX Blues using the Logitech G710. So right now, what I want to do is a sound test between the Cherry MX Blues versus the Cherry MX Browns. So as you can see right now, I have both of the G710 and the G710 Plus hook up onto my computer. Okay, so you guys might ask, why do I have two keyboards plugged onto my computer? It's basically for work and comfort. I am home-based and I get to sit 8 hours every day in front of my computer, and my back tends to hurt a lot after a long period of hours. And so I did a little modding, put in a slide-out tray underneath my table so I can make use of my other keyboard, which is the G710 Plus. Also, this is intended mainly for my gaming purposes. So without further ado, I want to give you the sound test. So first, I'm going to use the G710. And now the G710 Plus. Okay, there you have it. I hope you find this video useful and will help you decide which switch you're going to get in the near future. Thank you and stay tuned. Francis signing out.